Hello, so today we're talking about the house project final slides and what will be graded here at the end of the quarter. So it's 38 points. If you want to look at the rubric and how exactly everything's going to be graded, you can see here. Look down through all these things. Most things people forget: the location right there, the color of the room. That's easy points that people miss. So what you need to do, you need to create your own Google Slides, and you have your house design planning sheet. And what you do is you go row by row by row down the planning sheet to get what goes on the house design slides. So if we look here, the very first row: location, Fiji, climate, tropical, temperature 79 degrees, average precipitation. Go here to the slides, Fiji. That all the information is right there for us. Then we're going to go on to the next row down, living room. Okay, we have a chandelier, which turns electricity to light. We have a TV, which uses infrared waves. We have a chandelier. So there's a lot of stuff going on in that living room. We go here to the next slide. You see I said first room, living room up here at the top. And then I just listed exactly what you see here. So for the next slide, we're going to have it be our kitchen. All right, you can do a text box if you want. You can also do a slide like that, and you'll have a little box pop up. You just type in what's in this row. So here we would have food is chemical to thermal. What else would we have? We go back to the sheet. Microwave. A microwave uses microwaves. All right, then you see the background is a different color here than it is here. So we just work all the way through till you have every single room and every single thing on the room in the slides. All right.